In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Woocommerce Breadcrumbs. A valuable skill if you're looking to provide a better navigation experience for your customers on your WordPress website. Breadcrumbs are a critical part of site navigation, helping users understand where they are on your site and how to easily return to a previous page. Starting off, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for everything happening on your WordPress site, from content management to site customization. If you've used WordPress before, this step should be quite familiar. Once you're in the dashboard, your next move is to add a new plugin. Plugins are essential tools for extending the functionality of your WordPress site. They can add new features and in this case allow us to tweak the breadcrumbs to our liking. To find the right plugin within the dashboard, navigate to the plugin section and select the option to add a new one. Here comes the part where specificity is key. You want to search for a plugin that specifically mentions breadcrumbs and WooCommerce. This ensures that the plugin is designed to work with WooCommerce and can handle the specific nuances of e-commerce breadcrumbs. Type in breadcrumbs WooCommerce in the search bar to narrow down your options. Once you've found a plugin that fits our criteria, it's time to install it. Installing a plugin is just a matter of clicking Install Now. It's a straightforward process, but it's always a good idea to check the plugin details before installation. Make sure it's compatible with your version of WordPress and WooCommerce, and take a quick look at user reviews to ensure reliability. After the installation is complete, the next step is to activate the plugin. Activation is what turns the plugin from a dormant piece of software into an active tool on your site. It's another simple click, this time on the Activate button. Once activated, the plugin is ready to work its magic on your site. The final step is to configure the plugin settings. This is where you tailor the breadcrumb navigation to fit your site's needs. The settings option is usually found directly on the plugin page or under the WooCommerce settings tab. Here you can manage how your breadcrumbs are displayed, the separator style, and which pages breadcrumbs appear on. The settings will vary depending on the plugin, so take some time to explore the options available to you. A few extra tips for managing your breadcrumbs efficiently. Consistency is key. Make sure your breadcrumb navigation is consistent across all pages for a seamless user experience. Keep it simple. Breadcrumbs are meant to aid navigation, not confuse. Use clear and concise labels for each section. Regularly check to ensure the breadcrumbs are displaying correctly, especially after updates to your site or its plugins. Editing. WooCommerce breadcrumbs may seem like a minor change, but it's these little details that enhance the user experience and can make a significant difference in how visitors navigate your site. By following these steps, you should now have a solid grasp on how to customize your WooCommerce breadcrumb navigation, setting you apart from competitors and providing a better experience for your users. Remember, the goal is always to make your site as user-friendly as possible, and effective navigation is a huge part of that. Happy customizing!